Hi guys, Eric from Precision Auto Canada. We developed a kit for replacement of the clutch hose and fittings to remove delay valve and diaphragm on those cars. This kit allows you to have a better disengagement of the clutch, so it reduces the wear on the synchros and gears. So the kit will include different parts and will allow you to remove other. So I will show you that. This is a fitting on the slave cylinder. This is a rigid line, hard line, sorry. This is a flex line. This flex line will be removed. This two. The other here. This one is on the frame. This is the diaphragm. And there is another line to the master that I don't have that here. So this is the kit we sell. Those are the two fittings and the flex braided clutch line. So on the car, the slave is just here. We send you the fitting and or the adapter to remove this and thread it into the slave. You remove the flex clutch line here and the hard line on the frame here. The diaphragm is there and the master is there. So once it will be all installed, you will have the braided clutch line from here direct to the slave. So we will instead install that and show you the final product. So now we have complete the installation. I will show you how it looks. So on the master right here, you have the adapter and the braided line goes along the frame. The braided line is here, and you have there the adapter with the slave. The delay valve is removed in the master too, so it's an option we could offer you. So contact us if you need this kit. Thank you.